Today we're in Southeast Lakeland, right over off Lakeland Highlands Road. Across the street from me is Little Banana Lake. We're going to show you this really nice home, brand new, 3,000 square feet. You get lake access right across the street, which I'll show you that in just a minute. It is gorgeous. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're right on Cliffside Drive, and this is a gorgeous home. Wait till you see the inside floor plan. Circular driveway, which is really pretty. They're building a brand new home also across the street. But here, right across the way, is Little Banana Lake. I'm gonna walk over here. You are deeded this property right across the way too for lake access. So there's Big Banana Lake and Little Banana Lake. And wow, that's a nice steep bank. So you're gonna have to have a serious drop to get down there. But you are deeded that. And I get asked all the time. Now it actually winds around, by the way. So it's actually pretty good size for a Little Banana Lake. I get asked all the time. People say, is there alligators in Florida, in the water, in the lakes? And here's my answer to that. So if you're from out of state, you're watching this video and you're curious about that, here's what I would tell you. The answer is always yes. Yes, if it's a retention pond, if it's a small lake, if it's a big lake, there's gonna be an alligator in there because they migrate. They go from lake to lake and they just kind of move around a little bit. It's kind of freaky, but honestly, they leave you alone for the most part. Don't mess with them, and they do leave you alone. So this is, again, circular. And then you have a long driveway here too. So nice size lot between the home site and across the way. It's 0.91 of an acre, so 9/10, so almost an acre. Really pretty front. Oh, this is all pavers. Let's take a look at the inside. This is built by Southern Homes. So Southern is a big established builder right here in all of Polk County. They build actually all over the state. And they do high-end, they do production homes. This has got real wood flooring. And so they do a little bit of everything. This was a really nice floor plan. Look at this kitchen. It's gorgeous. You can see the big old room. I'm gonna show you the lot size in just a minute. The lot is big. Nice under truss lanai. So there's some nice features about this home that we're gonna take a look at. One of which is that big old island. But before we go there, let's go take a look at this floor plan. So when you walk in this way, this is really just like an office. So it's a 4-3 with an office. Big office, by the way. This is the primary suite, the master bedroom. No carpet anywhere. It's got the wood floors throughout. The tray ceilings, they put crown molding in here. Very nice sliding glass doors overlooking the balcony. Sliding glass door for your master bathroom. So you have double closets. Closet on this side too, and then really pretty countertops, all granite. And these are the soft close drawers. Love the color. Ceramic tile flooring, separate tub. Their lighting fixtures they picked out are gorgeous. I didn't show the other ones too. I'll have to show you those in just a second. And I love how they ran the mirror all the way up top. They didn't stop and put drywall above it. That's really, really nice. It blows the bathroom up even bigger. So here's a nice size, you just walk in the shower. It's got double shower heads. Where would you shower if you had this shower? Would you shower here? This is a little bit TMI, but hey, you're watching my video. So would you shower here? Or are you a little bit more private? You like to tuck around here and shower here? This is way more than you probably came in here for, but I don't know, man. I'm kind of a little bit more private. I'm probably showering around the corner. Drop a comment below. Or if you're just thinking keep moving, then guess what? We're gonna keep moving in the video. All right, you never know what you're gonna get here with Brian Stevens Real Estate. We keep it real, people. We keep it real. So, but look at these light fixtures. Really nice. That's your dining area. Here's your living area. Formal sitting room. This is also really, really pretty. And then they did crown molding here in the main area, which is really nice. Now I've showed you the kitchen. So let's take a little bit of a deeper look. They did put the different color cabinets here, which is really nice. The oven, built-in microwave, stainless steel fridge, the gallery edition, dishwasher right across the way. Really pretty cabinets, tile backsplash, smooth top range, great hood there too, very nice. Nicely built home, huge room here. You can see all the natural light. Now we do have the can lights on, but again, there's a lot of natural light coming in here. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to next, we're gonna go right to the back. So to the back of the home is gonna be 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. So it's kind of like a triple bedroom split plan. Your closets are out to the left. You've got a bedroom there, linen closet, and then here's your other full bath, one of the other 2. Love the cabinet color, ceramic tile flooring. This has got a tub shower combination in it. And then this is your other bedroom. You can see it here. Okay, nice ceiling fan. It's all brand new. Now, the other side, this is an ensuite, which is really, really wonderful. So, guest suite. It's kind of a little bit by itself, which is great. So, teenage suite. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, live-in relative does have a linen area. And then here's your, it's just a step-in shower, granite tops, got your nice cabinets, soft close. So it's a well-played, well-spaced out floor plan. And then here's your laundry. It does come with the washer dryer. 2-car garage side entry. Okay, we couldn't see it from the front, but it is a 2-car side entry. Little bit extra space in there too. Let's go take a look at the home site. You don't see larger lots in Southeast Lakeland. They're kind of hard to come by. So if you do see them, it's kind of nice. So and this one is that case. So you can see here, this is great. Look at this backyard. I'm gonna say I'm pretty sure there's no HOA here. Pretty sure, but don't hold me to that. But this is a little part of Cliffside Drive. Delphi, which you've seen some other video, Delphi is right here. There's the fence there and Delphi is right here. And then these homes were also cut in right off Rogers Road. Beautiful homes, big home sites. It's a great area, great location. And you can see they've got another one next door. That's already sold. And that's got a big backyard. Easily drop a pool in here. Plenty of space to drop a pool. Okay, they're probably on septic here, but knowing that how this home is set up, A lot of times builders will put the septic out of the way on the side. It really looks greener in here. See how the grass is a little bit greener? More than likely, they put the septic tank in the drain field here, knowing that somebody will want to come right off here and drop a pool in here. It's ideally set up for that. Or you just may not want to mess with the pool. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this really nice open floor plan by Southern Homes. And if you have any questions about this home or any others, contact me. All my contact information is below. Let's connect. Let's have a conversation. I also have a team that we can help you. If you're looking to buy, if you're looking to sell, we are here for you. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thanks for joining me on this home tour. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you have, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, hit that so you can subscribe to more YouTube videos whenever I drop home tours like this or other valuable information on buying or selling in Central Florida. Our team would love to serve you. It would be an honor to do that. So God bless you. Have a great day.